Yeah guys, you're welcome back to our channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to watch videos without downloading on Telegram. You're not going to download it on your device under your Android, either your or iPhone. Just let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open our Telegram. So let's open our Telegram. This is our Telegram. Now what you're going to do is you come to this your three line dot. Let me show you my tab. You open this your three line dot, click on it, then you click on your settings, then you scroll down and come to this your data and storage. Now you can see, let me turn it on, let me turn it on. This is automatic media download. You can see, turn it off, and this one too, turn it off. And there you can see this is it, we have turned it off. So let's go back and now go and download of the video. There's one video sent. Let's see. Okay, there is one video here. You can see now I'm going to watch this video without downloading. So let me just click on watch. I'm going to watch it without downloading. Let's wait. You can see I not click on this. I just want to watch it. Let's wait for it. So I think there's not how you can watch this video without Telegram downloading it on the Telegram interface, but it will not download on your device. It will not be installed on your device. What is it? That it is being scrolling up like this. So once it's download here finish, it is not going to save in our device, but it is what just stay inside your Telegram. So if you wanted to delete any videos that has already stored on your Telegram, this is how you're going to delete it, and which I'm going to show you in our next video. So let's get out, guys. You can wait for it. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.